how to set up our WordPress. Remember, we've installed our WordPress. Now we want to set it up. So we go to, this is the backend. Then remember, our login details is username is Nkechi. Then for the password, I actually changed this password. I've changed it because it was giving us a flag that the password strength is very low. So we'll go to our login. We'll put our login there. Then I will go to my password. I'll just put the password there. So click on sign in. Voila. So this is our WordPress backend. Congratulations, and you can see that we've logged into the backend. Whatever thing we do on this backend will reflect in the front end. I want you to get that correctly. Whatever thing we do on this backend will reflect on the front end. We, the developer, are the only one that have access to the backend. The front end is for our viewers, our customers, our client to see the site, right? All right, so we'll just move on to a few settings. We'll go to settings. We'll come to general. Okay. Now, this is where I told you that we will do all our settings. So let me say, like we'll go to medical website, for example. Let's see. Okay, so I'll just, let me say medical websites in USA. All right, so this is one website, healthcare website complaint. All right, so let us allow you to finish loading. I just want to show you something. This is okay. This is a website that is into health. So, but we want to create something different. But right now, we don't really know what we want to create. Correct? So, but there's a plugin. There's a themes I highly recommend if you can afford to get it. Bowen, I think is Bowen, yes, Bowen Teams. So I have a paid version of the themes, and if you need it, you can always contact me. I'll give it to you free of charge. Yes, I cannot sell it to you, okay? But you can just comment to the video and just ask for it. You just comment, then you can, if you have my number, you can call me, then I can share it with you. So this is it here. So I'll just go to the site. You can see it's just $19. I'll go to the site so that we can look at it. Now, why am I doing this? When you go to your site, yeah, this is it here, site settings, right? Site settings. So this is where you put your site name. Like say medical or healthcare. We say healthcare. Yes. So yeah, I can say we give our best to you always. So now you can see I'm trying to do too many things at the same time so that you understand it very well. And don't get confused if I'm too fast. You can reduce the speed of this video, and then you can also follow step by steps. Yes, there's, like I said, there's no rocket science. You can do this. You just have to build your determination to do them. So by the time you go to settings again, the general, then you put your site title, whatever thing you are building, you just put the site title there. Then for the tagline, you just put something related to the keyword or something that is like a caching word. So this, you can see, just leave all this Yes, just leave all this like this. Don't change anything. Then scroll down. I think we are done. So for the site icon, we'll build an icon. We'll come back to this. So we'll just go down and click on Save Changes. So the aim of this video is just to teach us what we need to do to set up our permalink. Then we'll store a theme. Then we'll store a plugins that we need. Then I'll talk little about themes and plugins so that we'll understand what they are and then what they are used for. So we'll go to under setting again. We'll come to permalink. So for this permalink, you can see day and domain. So what this simply means is, if for example our site we have about us, it will have date, it will have year, it will have month, it will have day before it will now see about us. So but we don't really want that, so always put it on post name. Put it on post name. Then once you are done with that, then you just click on save changes. Save changes. So we just allow it to finish loading. You can see permalink structure updated. That is number one. Then number two is want to install. Those are the two things you just have to do under settings for now. Then we want to install our themes. Okay, we want to install our themes, and like I said, I will explain what themes is all about and plugins. Themes give you the template of what you actually want to build. Yes, themes give you the template of what you want to build. Why plugin is just like a tools that you need to enhance that template. I don't know if you understand. So themes give you the template of what you want to build, a ready-made template that you want to build, right? Why plugins give you the tools that you need to enhance that template. So it's just like now we have default 3 template. See, let me go to our website. That is the front end, right? I want you to observe something. Look at this structure where we have block, right? We have hello world, we have welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete it, then start writing. So this is just a template, right? So we'll go back here and say, okay, let me choose this template and I'll activate it. Let me see the different. Okay, now we've done the activation. You can see this is our theme that we just activate. Then like refresh our front end site, like see what different. You can see good. So you can see this is looking different from the previous one, right? Correct. So now once you have this installed or activated, then we can start building. But the point is, I want to use a ready-made template to make it faster, to make it easy for me. Left for me, I love writing my theme myself because I am a developer. Okay, so but what happened? Should you limit yourself that because you're not a developer you cannot build a professional website? No, and that is the reason why we have themes. Okay, look at the themes here. This is the themes I'll be using. Is called Blowing. Okay. That is a WordPress WooCommerce themes. So if we scroll down, see at the top here we have demo. So if you scroll down, you will see demo, thousands of demos that you can use. You can see this is for e-commerce, but because of this training we are not talking about e-commerce now. Okay, these are e-commerce. You can start something of such. See, beautiful website that you can start. Let's say you are building an e-commerce website for a client. You can use these. You can use these. You can see wash. Let's click on this demo and see. That is the demo for watch. Let's see. Okay, so You can see this is a theme. Just hold on, it's loading up. So like I said, if you need the themes, you can contact me. You can just drop a comment on this video. I will definitely communicate with you. I'm not saying you should drop your email for safety, for privacy reason, right? So, but you just contact me. Okay, I will definitely. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing my contact in case if you need to contact me. Yes, so it will be easy for you to contact me. I don't want your email to be spam or to get hacked, and that is why I'm not advising you to drop your email in the comments, please. Okay, so this is one template. This is it. Let's go down. We'll look at it thoroughly. Then, okay, so if we really like this, we can install this. Okay, but I am not doing this. I'm not doing e-commerce, remember, and this themes is just perfect for e-commerce, just in case you are building e-commerce. So for this case that I'm not building an e-commerce site, I will not be making use of this theme again. So I'll come back to you. Let me just check my system for a suitable theme that we can use. Then maybe on that video I will just show us on how to use these things better. Okay, I don't know if that is okay, but please apologize to this. So I'll just come back to this video. Thank you. All right, guys, welcome back. So this is the themes that we'll be making use of. Doctio. This is I just purchased these themes for this purpose, and then it is just $59. Okay, so we'll go through the demo. Like look at what we can use from here. It's loading up. And that's all done. Okay, so this is the themes. We want to see the demo of it. Let's see. Yeah, this is a medical team. Yes, as you can see this is a professional website, and this is what we'll be building. So after purchasing the theme, we'll go ahead to install it. You can see this is our current theme that we have. So for you to install your newly purchased theme, just come to add new theme. Then I will go to upload theme, then choose file. Then we'll now locate where we have our theme installed. So I have my own theme is downloaded under download. This is it here. So we install this first. When you purchase a theme, they usually come in two. It is either you have the main theme, and then you also have the child theme. So we just click on install now, and then you just wait for a while for it to finish installing. So we'll also install a plugin. We will install our Elementor for easy drag and drop page builders. So that is just the essence why we'll be installing the Elementor. Sometimes it takes a little while. I'll pause this video, then I'll come back again. As you can see, installing theme from uploaded file, Doctio has been installed. Then we'll go back to go to home page. We want to install the child theme now. So you click on add new theme. Then you click on upload, then file, choose file, then we'll now install the child. This is the child, right? So we'll click on install. This shouldn't take longer than the previous one. Okay, so you can see the parent doc 107 is currently installed the theme successfully. So we'll just click on activate. Voila. So you can see the themes have been installed. We have installed the main theme and then we have installed the child theme also. So, but it is recommending us to install all these plugins. So, but in my own case, I will not install them yet. I'll go to plugin and install my Elementor. I have a premium Elementor also, and as time goes on, I advise you also have an account with Elementor so that you can also get current update from them. So I will click on browse. I will click on file. I'll click on file. I choose file. Then I will go to my download where I have my Elementor. Then I will click on. I think this is my Elementor. Yes. So I will click on Elementor Pro. You can see. Then then I will click on install now. Alright, so you can see our Elementor have been installed, so we'll just activate the plugin. Okay. Alright, so good. You can see Elementor Pro plugin required installing the Elementor plugin. So I will need to install the main Elementor, which is always free. The one I installed previously was a paid version. So I'll just click on activate plugins. So once you activate the Elementor, you have Elementor installed properly now. Then you can see it will take us to Elementor page onboarding. Then I will just go back to my website because I don't need to do anything from here. Alright, so good. We have Elementor. If you go to plugin now, you will see your Elementor have been installed. You can see Elementor, the two Elementor have been installed. So hello Dolly, we need to delete this plugin. We don't need it. Then yes, loginizer security, just click on update now. Then speedy caches, we will activate it, but no why, let me see. I think, right, let us activate this. Speedy caching. Then let's go down. Speedy Cache Pro. Alright, so we have the Pro version for the speedy caching. The essence of that speedy cache is just in case if your site is not loading. Okay, if your site is not loading properly, you can always come here. This is the speedy cache. You can see you can just delete all caches. Okay, if you do this, just delete all caches, then you can check the front end again and everything should be fine. Okay, so that is just it. So for this, I light speed caching. I need to remove this plugin. I don't think it's necessary. Yes, this light speed caching. Light deactivate this because you just have to mindful of themes that you are activating and then themes that are not useful, so that it doesn't cause more load on your website. So like this asking me anti-spam, spam protection, it is that you activate it or you delete it, but for my own case, I will delete it because I don't need it. Right? I have a paid plugin I can install to replace that. So for this, I will also delete this too also. I don't need them. So you can see all the old plugins I have here are plugins that are useful. Then for here, the themes require the following plugins. So you can see I need to install all these plugins one after the other. But let me since we have already we've already activated our themes, then let's go to the front end and see the difference. Let us see the difference. Voila, you can see. So our site is becoming true elegance, and then it's looking so beautiful actually, but we still have a lot of things to do. Yeah, so we'll go back here and then we will install all plugins that the teams are recommending us to install. So I like doing them manually, like one after the other. Then after installing them, I'll come back again. Thank you. As you can see, so I'm currently installing the plugins one after the other. I'm not activating them yet. So you can see this is just all what you just need to do. You just have to install them. You can do them in bulk, right? You can as well do this and then you just click on install and then you click on install and then you apply. But most times it takes time, so I prefer doing them one after the other, right? So I'll just continue doing them one after the other. Yes, so you go back. But if I want to install, I will install them in bulk. So I'll go back again. I'll install this. I'll go back, scroll down, and then WooCommerce. Yes, I will install this because that is what the teams is recommending us to install. So they might not be useful at the moment, but let us just install everything recommended by the team that we are using. So we'll install this, then we'll go back. Then for the bulk now, you can see everything has been installed. So I need to activate them now. Just click this box. I'll come back here and then I'll say activate, and I will apply. So after installing and activating all the old plugins, so this came up. I'll just skip this guide. That is WooCommerce is telling me to activate to do my setup, but I don't really need to do this now. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my backend. I tried to skip it before, but it was not skipping. So I'll just go back directly to my backend. So I can just skip this completely. So you can see, so we'll just go back to our plugins. Go back to your plugins, and then you can see all plugins have been installed and activated. Yes, all plugins have been installed and activated. This WooCommerce wishlist was not activated because it was giving an error. You can see the following plugin installed. So, but we tried to activate. Let me try again and see if it will activate. But I did not know why it was not. Oh, okay, it have activated. Alright, so like I said, once we are doing bulk, either bulk install, bulk activation, most sometimes they failed. So that is why I always advise, if you can do it one after the other, then go ahead for it. Then it's saying welcome to WooCommerce wishlist plugin. You have almost done to start run the setup. So we don't really need this now because we're not building an e-commerce website. So if you are building e-commerce website, that is when you need this. WooCommerce wishlist plugin is misconfigured. Yes. So I can as well go back there and deactivate it, right? So, but in this case, I'll just go. This is my theme here. So it's saying import demo. I click on import demo, and then we'll go back. We want to install. We want to unplug. We want to install this demo. So I think this is the only demo that the team have, and then for that we'll be making use of this. Okay, we'll be making use of it, and then we'll just focus on the demo that I want to use. So let me just close all these. Let me close this. Let me close this. So I think at this stage you have been so good to yourself by following all along, and you are just few minutes remaining to become a website developer. So this is the demo. Oh, wonderful. They even have other demo, I think. Yes, this is good. Okay, so we can view demo. Let's say home one demo. We can view this. We can do this. We can do this. Like this is the main site. Let me say view demo. So we can view demo to see the site. That is of two. So then from this, um, after the demo, then I will just round up this video. Then, if you like our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and then give us a top up so that we can also notify you whenever we publish a new video again. So you can see. So I think I'll be making use of these second themes. Yes. So I'll just come back here. I'll say import demo. Then I will come back again after the demo have been uploaded. So it's saying before we import your demo, to ensure the best experience, installing the following plugin is strongly recommended. Click on. So we've installed all plugins, so we'll just click on continue and import. All right, congratulations, import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So let's just go back to let's go back here, and then we'll just click on visit site. This is our site loading up here. Let me move it to the side. Yeah. So we'll just compare this site to our demo. That is, we'll compare it to this. To this. Then let's see what we need to do to start editing them. Wow, wonderful. So you can see we've just installed our demo and our site is looking exactly like the themes. So in this case, what you just need to do now is to start editing every content, every image. You've gotten your template, you've gotten your layout, you just have to start editing them. Alright, so in the next video I'll be I'll be showing us how to completely edit this site, but in your own, just do something different. You can get themes, you can install demos, then you can see wonderful, looking beautiful. I can edit all this and then I will just present it to my client. Yes, do you understand? So this is a professional website. This is professional website. This is professional website, to be honest with you. And I congratulate you once again for everything that you've done. You follow us all through, and then it is it. You have successfully installed WordPress. You have completed the initial setup on Namecheap. Good job, right? So if this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on weekly WordPress tutorial. I love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what kind of website are you building. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where I'll be exploring essential WordPress settings to optimize your site for success. Happy website building. I wish you all the best, and for you to contact me, I'll drop my contact details. You can always reach out to me if you want a one-on-one training. I'm here to guide you. See you in the next video. Bye.